Good morning, my friends. It's Coach Vigue, Vogue, but with an eye. You caught me with my slippers still on. Morning yoga stretch for everybody, all body weight. Let's set the tone for a fantastic, marvelous day. Breathing in the nose and out the nose. Let's begin on our backs. Hug the knees into the chest. You can always place a pillow under your head. Remember, modify as needed and always use control. Bring the knees in, rock side to side. Bring that focus into your breath, swelling the lungs with the inhale and then emptying them fully with the exhale. 3 more breaths right here. You can always place a pillow underneath your head if you so desire. All right, let's have some fun. Left leg out, right knee in. We're going to bring that knee in close. Nice stretch here. Extend the other leg away, get some nice separation, and then drop the leg over to the side. We're going to actively do this as we alternate legs. So we come to the side with the exhale. Inhale back to the center. Switch legs and bring it in. Long extension. You want to open up the body from the moment you wake up. Oh, there's the twist. Back to the center. Good. Use that breath as the mind starts to get cranking, get moving. Let that transfer into the body. This beautiful lengthening and twisting. Okay. Bring it in. Bring it in. Toes are relaxed. Keep your ankles nice and loose. Drop to the side. I'm trying not to roll down the driveway into the camera. That's very unprofessional. Oh, there's a twist. This arm can also reach away into the snow. Grab yourself some snow. Let's do it one more time on each side. Enjoy the breeze. Getting some opening in the chest. Let the armpit express itself. Because one thing we love is expressive armpits. Bring that knee in. There we are. Stretch, stretch, stretch. And twist. Oh, good. Don't mind me. I'm going to make a snow cone here. Woo-hoo-hoo. All right, knees into the chest. Knee circles. Hands on the knees, head down, circle, pick a direction. Let's stir up the low back. Get some blood flowing, moving, cascading through the body. Other direction, smooth. Feel the electrical current start to form in the core, in your abdominals, in your low back. Traveling up the spine, down the legs, bringing life and the unlimited possibilities to this day and every day. They sound like a Hallmark card. There it is. Wiggle the fingers, wiggle the toes, and let's bring it up and over. Single leg kick into reverse scorpion. I am properly tucked. There's a sticker, one of my son's ripped up stickers on my mat. Let's bring the forearms down. Single leg kick is a classic Pilates exercise. Draw the shoulders back. We'll start here with a nice lift, a gentle back bend. When you're ready, alternating the legs. We're going to kick, and bring it down. Use your breath. Exhale, exhale, inhale. If you want to add more, you're going to point and flex. We're warming up the legs. More specifically, the quads are getting a stretch and the hamstrings. And we're lifting and opening the upper body. Keep it going. Nice rhythm. Feel your way through it. God bless the Colorado sun. I know the sun is the same everywhere, but in Colorado it burns hotter, even with the snow out here. And I do have sunscreen on. 2 more times each leg. Boom, 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 boom. Lift a little higher. Open up the breath, open up the spine. All right, reverse scorpion as promised. Take this right arm over, right leg comes forward. There's the twist. This arm can also come all the way over. You're going to do a full movement. Bring it up, back to the center, and then the other side. Left arm up and over, left leg forward. Oh, it feels good at the attachment right there in the chest, the shoulders. One more time each side. Right onto the blacktop. Good. Such fluid movements. These are the movements that bring out the best in your mind, your body, your days. Let it set the tempo for everything else. All right, press it back, child's pose. Knees wide, we stretch and go side to side. Back maintenance. Make the choice. I think about this all the time. Is what I'm doing tearing me down or lifting me up? What is it doing? Physically, mentally, spiritually, what are we doing? What choices are we making? Ooh, this is fun. I feel like a hammock. 2 more times each side. And then forward, forearms down, or Cobra, hands under the shoulders. Inhale, lift up. Little pulsing action here if you're in the Cobra. Inhale up, exhale, lower down, lengthen the spine. Inhale up, exhale down. I tell you, give me a good back bend like this anytime. Opens up the breath, electrifies the spine, gets those big back muscles heated up. 2 more times. Child's pose or downward facing dog. Feet hip width, hands shoulder width, and walk. Lots of good, healthy, active, dynamic movement here. Three more breaths. Oh, we got the breeze. Okay, bring the right foot forward. Drop that left knee down. Pull the cap down slightly. Ooh, that was a good one. All right, fingers down. Good cap pull. Let's rock it forward and back. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Find your range of motion. Shoulders back. Keep your upper body lifted through the movement. Inhale. Exhale. This is called a runner's lunge. As we start to drop back, you feel it, ooh, all the way down the posterior part of your leg. One of my favorites. Shifting back and forth to bring out nothing but the best. Two more times. Feel good? Yeah? Oh, I never thought of it that way. It's a good point. Okay, down dog. Hold or child's pose or walk with our beautiful twist. Tell you what, bring the feet close together. Look at this. This rotation is life. I always think of just pure living. We all have visuals. Keep us going. But I see this rotation here with the stretch is pure life, pure living. Opening up my body, youthening what I have. 3 more breaths. Wearing my special Christmas pants. All right, left foot forward. We have the low lunge again. Ooh, shoulders back and down. And forward and back. We went to Disney World last week, so definitely been ODing on the Disney movies since we've been back for my son. He met the Beast. Well, he saw the Beast. The Beast comes in and bows, so think we've hit Beauty and the Beast 3 times in the last 2 days. Keep rocking back and forth. The wind threatens to take away my notes. Okay, I'm gonna bring the notes over here. There we are. So many things. All right, I got it. I really feel like speaking like Gaston right now, but I won't. Two more times. I know. But all we hear is beast, 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 which is confusing because Addie, my dog's nickname, is the Beast. All right, down dog. Bring the feet together, legs together, and then sway side to side. A gently sway, like a pendulum. That's what we're saying, like a clock, like Cogsworth. Side to side, like there's a string on each hip bone. Press into your palms. Two more each side. All right, left knee forward. Pigeon, with option to thread the needle, so you can have the hands down. You can bring the forearms, walk forward, or if you want to thread the needle, you're going to take this. There's two variations, you can go either side, but I'm going to take the left arm forward, right arm goes through, and then sink down 5 breaths. Oh my, nothing to say about that other than, oh, that's good. I know. All right, right leg forward. Find your pigeon if you want to thread. Right arm extension and then bring it through. Notice how this top arm, I'm drawing it back, so I'm lengthening and rotating. All these things happening at once. The right foot can come further forward. Again, find your version. Find it and progress from there. 4 more breaths. Ooh, beautiful work. We got time for a couple more things. I'm telling you, let's do a wide-legged down dog. I'm telling you that. Take the feet wide onto the blacktop or child's pose. Stretch it out. If you want more, active twist. We reach across, stretch, inhale forward. If that's not working, leave it out. Work up to it. One more time, each side. All right, bring the knees down, sitting on the heels or sitting cross-legged. Lace the fingers, my favorite. One of them, mudra. Inhale up, exhale, hinge forward a little bit. Warm up the core, get the core firing. Three more. Lip trills, my favorite vocal warm-up. Now open it up. Let's bring it to a lunge. Right foot forward, left foot back. Full, unfiltered lunge. Let's make it fly. Reach the arms back. Left heel into the mat or press down. This is a flying lunge. 5 breaths. A lot of strength, really getting the core going, working the leg, stretching the back leg. so glad you're training with me. Thank you. All right, switch sides. Dun, dun, dun. Down, down, down. Hip flexor action right there. You can see my breath. 5 breaths. Standing position. And also grab yourself some of this. Hey, it's Coach Vigue again, my friends. I want to give you a free 30-minute yoga flow. It's one of my best flows I've ever done. The link to that yoga flow is in the pinned comments below. It's the first link. Click that link and get your free 30-minute yoga flow with Coach Vigue. What do you have to lose? Click now.